Hello everyone and welcome once again to my channel. I would like to thank you once again for wholehearted support and liking these stories and videos. Please do continue to support and subscribe if you have not. Few years back there were two brothers who wanted to prospect for gold. So they wanted to become rich, they wanted to dig for gold. So they sold everything and they went in search of gold, and when they started digging in a land which they thought has gold, they struck a gold ore. So they said that now let's dig further, we will find gold. So they started digging deeper. But as they started digging deeper, they didn't find anything. There was nothing. The gold stain which they had seen earlier, it no longer was there. So somebody advised them that why don't you try more, like hire some expert and maybe do that. But they declined. That says nothing, there's no point wasting our efforts, and we don't want to hire somebody, pay that engineer or someone more money and search for a lost cause and all. So they decided to give up and they sold that land to somebody and they went off. Now the person who had bought that land, he hired an engineer and started digging the gold ore. Now the engineer researched that land a little bit and told them that okay, you continue digging here, you will find something. So they continued to dig, and just 4 feet below where those two brothers had left digging, they found a gold mine. So, and eventually, as you know, they became billionaires. So those brothers just missed becoming billionaires by 4 feet. Had they dug 4 feet more, or maybe hired an engineer like them who would have told them to dig there, they would have been the billionaires. Now this is what happens in a lot of situations when we give up. Sometimes you don't know that you may be giving up just before when you're about to strike gold. A lot of times it happens that then in retrospect I've seen people say that, oh, had I put in a little bit more effort at that time, I would have got this. It's good to realize that in retrospect, but the lesson here is that don't give up too soon. Whenever you feel that it's enough, maybe do it a little bit more. Dig a little bit more. What you want may be just an inch or a feet or a yard away. So continue, have the persistence. The key word here is being persistent. And persistence actually pays off in the long run. And there are a lot of examples. You can go to any corporate, talk to any business guy, any successful person would tell you that one of the key attributes that he or she followed is persistence. So I leave you today with this thought that how can I be more persistent? Look at the areas in your life where you have given up or are planning to give up and reflect back that should I continue to be persistent in this area and try for some more time? I am sure you will strike gold. So till I see you next, I wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also watch my other videos by clicking on the links on your screen.